factors, including ESG-linked exposures, digital lending challenges, and the use of AI and alternative data in credit scoring. Through real-world case studies, learners will analyze major credit failures and develop strategies for early. Green loans are designed specifically to fund projects with direct environmental benefits. These include renewable energy plants, energy-efficient buildings, clean transportation systems, and water conservation initiatives.